Oh, story so far. The others are looking good. Parts of the dash, but the speedo part, there are a few scratches across the top. I've had another go at it. I'm just priming it, so I'll be glossing it in a few minutes. Clear gloss, spray enamel. It's hard stuff, it's enamel paint. Should be nice and smooth, but we'll wait. I might just give that till tomorrow. Just carry on with other bits. The edge primer that was on before, the dark grey, that was done 2 days ago, 3 days ago in fact, so it should be plenty hard. So we just leave it at like that. We can go an enamel finish, we'll be sound, won't we? And then I've got this to do, look. That's the rest of the dash. A couple of days after it's been painted, we can put it all back together. And it can be stored for going back in the car. Well, I've got to get that dash out of the car. So I can clear the rat's nest that's behind, right behind the bottom. So that'll be a job for another day. We're getting on with it quite well. We've just I've prepared that as I said in the previous one. So might do that next. That seems pretty thingy. So we'll put this back out of the way. And we'll have a look at this motor job here. Hope that don't come off. As you can see, I repaired it in there because that broke. This paint's just coming off here, look. Sand it down and it's still coming off. So I think what might happen is it just goes to show you that the paint that they painted with it before doesn't like today's paint. Look. So yeah, see what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to put it all back together and then I'm going to get some thinners and I'm going to clean it all down with some thinners and get all that paint off back to plastic, or in this case Bakelite, because that's what it were in them days. So back in a minute. Yeah, just sprayed that, that's sprayed, and I'm just finished off tonight by spraying the saddle that goes underneath. It screws to here and 2 holes, and it sits on top of the steering column, hence the saddle effect. It sits on top of the loom that goes up like that. So yeah, that's just something to stop it being sprayed. Alright, you see. There we go. See what we do here then. Nice finish, what do you reckon? I want another coat. Should look alright when it's done. A few scratches, but I'm not bothered about them. You know, yeah, quite good. Tough stuff. Paint factory. Enamel spray paint. Enamel. Should be hard if it's enamel. So, I think what we need to do is get something to hang them up. Some wire or something so we can hang them up from nail. But, I'll tell you what. I can sit there. What's that? This one, eh? Keep that ball rolling. First coat. That's it. That one. The hard part of the job is there's two ends in the dash. I've got to go out and spray them in situ. So the cover's good. Very good. I think it'll want another coat though. Let's have a look. That'll sit there. Right, turn it round. Then it. That's it. That's it. That's how they look now. The covering of the crash pad, I'll do that indoors. That'll be a separate video, quick short one, because I need the cleaning and I need a big area to lay it out while I cut it and then put it on and sweep it outwards. But yeah, a good result. Looking forward to it, looking at it when it goes back in. So there's just this one. When I sprayed it, a couple of flies got on it, so I just bagged it down. I want to get a coat, a quick coat before I go. It's getting late now. Anyway, there's only one thing left to say. See you later.